Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to enable Google Pay in Stripe right from your phone. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred browser. For now, I'll open my Google Chrome. Once you are on your browser, navigate to the Stripe official website. You need to log into your Stripe account, so simply log in and go to your account. Once you are logged in and you're on the main dashboard, you're going to go to the settings. Here you can see the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Again, choose the option settings. In the settings menu, you can see the payment section. Tap on it. Next up, go to the payment methods tab. Here you will see the list of available payment options. Now scroll down and under the wallets, look for Google Pay. Once you have found the Google Pay option, right next to it, there is a turn on button. Tap on it to activate Google Pay into your Stripe account. So tap on turn on. As you can see now, the Google Pay is active. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Google Pay in your Stripe account using your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.